Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we're gonna do a display storage for my DIECAST car collection, and we're gonna use metal ruler, pencil and eraser because this one doesn't have a eraser, and I am not really sure if this one will gonna work properly for this project. The glue all multi-purpose glue. We're gonna stick this molding PVC to this polycarbonate sheet. There's another term for polycarbonate, but yeah, I called it polycarbonate sheet. And yeah, we're gonna make another project, but this one is different from the first storage that we make last time, that one is a storage shelf, but this one I'm not sure what the right thing to call it, but yeah, it's a display storage also, the one that you insert and slide the card all the way down until you fill it up all the way up. I know most of you are familiar with that display storage, and yeah, I'm gonna try to make my own, so hopefully we can do it properly. Hopefully we can avoid mistakes. So we are almost done, guys. We are just waiting to get it dry, especially this portion before it came up. So I put another glue on it and we're waiting to get it dry. and later we're gonna put this hanging strip. We need two, and we're gonna stick it like this, and this side we're gonna stick at the back of the DIECAST car holder, and the other side we're gonna stick into the wall. So we need two pieces because we're gonna put it in there. And we also need to put double adhesive tape, but I don't want to put a lot because when we put a lot of double adhesive tape at the back of this holder and stick it to the wall, there's a possibility or there's a chance that when we need to remove it someday, there's a chance that it will damage the wall paint. So I don't want to put a lot of double adhesive like others do. They put double adhesive from here all the way to other end and both sides. They do it like that, so when they remove it, when they need to remove it, the wall paint also came up. So I don't wanna do it like that. I think I'm gonna put a small amount of double adhesive on this portion, both sides, and another small amount of double adhesive on the lower part so it won't fall off, especially when we already put DIECAST car on it. Because as you watch my previous video, my other video, the other one that I made for my Ford Mustang collection, when I stick it into the wall the other day, it fell off. Because the reason of that is I only put some double adhesive tape on every corner only, and two pieces on both upper and lower side, and one on the center. But this one, I think, yeah, we don't need to put a lot of double adhesive. And as you can see, we have excess, but this one can still be used for another one side. So I'm planning to buy another piece of this molding PVC maybe tomorrow, because it's nearly 7 o'clock in the evening, so possibly the bonding warehouse is closed already. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm planning to purchase another piece of this molding PVC and make another piece of holder, DIECAST car holder.
A few moments later.
So here it is, guys. We already put DIECAST car on it, and it can hold 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17 pieces of DIECAST car. And oh, it's heavy. So yeah, it's heavy. So yeah, I think it's better to put a lot of double adhesive on it because it's heavy. Yeah, here's our finished product, guys. What do you think about it? Comment down below. Looks nice. Yeah, I'm very satisfied again with my project. Looks nice. So guys, here's how it looks like when we stick it into the wall. It looks nice, but my concern is if we stick it into the wall and put a lot of adhesive or double-sided tape on it, there's a possibility or there's a chance that it will damage the paint later on when we need to remove this one. When the time comes that we need to remove it, for example, we need to move to other place and leave this place, this apartment, because I'm still renting, so that's my concern. The wall paint, yeah, it's a bit heavy. So now I know why the other diecast car collector, they do it like that. They put a lot of double adhesive tape. They put all the way, they put from here all the way to the other end, both sides. Because I saw a video of a diecast car collector here in YouTube also. When he removed his diecast car holder like this, the wall paint came up. I'm gonna think about it if I'm gonna do that. Put double adhesive from this side and this side. So yeah, here's our finished product, guys. What do you think about it? Comment down below. And I'm still planning to make another holder like this. So guys, I have already put double adhesive tape on it, but I didn't put a lot. I'm gonna try to stick it like that. So let's find out if it's gonna stick strong like that. And as you can see in here, the wall has a, what you call that? This one. It has a, what you call that? A curve. Something like that. It is not aligned to the wall surface. So I'm planning to put the lower part of the diecast car holder like that, so it can also help to hold the weight of the diecast car. That's why I didn't put a lot of double adhesive tape, because there is something like this that can help to hold the weight. So we're gonna put it like that. And as I mentioned before, I'm still planning to make another holder like this, and we're gonna put that in here, and then the other one in here, and so on. So like that. Hopefully it won't peel up. So I'm gonna stick it now. So there you go, guys. We're gonna wait a couple of minutes before we put diecast car on it. Oh, I thought it's came off, but it's not. And by the way, here's are some of my collection. So if we can make another display holder like this, we're gonna put it in here, in here. Maybe tomorrow we can make 2 pieces. 1, 2, 3, and so on. But it depends if we're gonna hunt more diecast car. So there you go. We put the Ferrari, Porsche, and the Corvette. The first time that we tried to put diecast car on it, we only put 17 pieces, but this time it holds 21 pieces because we put some short card on it. Most of the Corvette is short card. So yeah, that's our new display holder for our diecast car collection. And by the way, it's raining outside and there's also a thunder. So what do you think, guys? Comment down below. And that's it, guys. We're done to our DIECAST card display holder. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, and if you are not subscribed to my channel yet and you are interested in this kind of video content, DIECAST car hunting, DIECAST car collection, please do subscribe and click the bell icon for you to get notified every time I posted new video. Again, thank you so much. Happy hunting to everyone. See you in the next one. Bye.